Nate speaking.
Sure. Still ledger toucher.
I can't understand you.
Still ledger toucher.
I can't understand.
End the call.
Manager, I'm sorry, but I can't understand the client
Why can't you understand the client?
because it's speaking in French.
I see. I think it's better you to learn the different languages.
Do you think too, ma'am?
Yes, you better start now.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Right, it's better to start now so that I can answer the client if you call again. I think I need to start in French language. Oh, where's that? Oh, this is the benefits of knowing other language, so you can understand what the client say, even though they are speaking in different language. Hello, good morning.
Still ledger toucher.
Oh, it says ledger toucher. He pulls the fire for good.
Yes, Priyama place.
Tripolis? Really, ma'am? Propitas de fotre massage.